Jason Martin here with Highland Ridge RV, Senior Product Director for the Mesa Ridge S-Lite series. Today we're going to talk to you about what's new for model year 2023. And as you can see right away from the outside, we've made some changes. As you can see, we went away from the darker fiberglass. We went with a crisp, clean white. We changed up some of the graphics a little bit also. We went with a little bit more modern feel. As you can see, we got that Mesa platform going throughout. We think this is just going to give us a nice refresh and things that we're looking forward to on 2023. Some of the other new things are on the Mesa Ridge S-Lite is we have the battery disconnect switch is now standard. We also have an inverter pre-wire set up. As you can see, it's right here. You see this box around inside there? That's where your wire's coming up for your inverter pre-wire. What does that mean for you? Well, with inverter pre-wire, we have multiple outlets that you can fit up to an 1800 watt inverter on it. You have either outlet on either side of the bed for those that have a CPAP machine. You have your main TV, your refrigerator, and it also, if you have an outside kitchen with a refrigerator, like this particular model right here, this outlet's on that inverter. So what does that mean? Well, one is when you're driving down the road with an inverter, you're using the batteries, your truck's charging the batteries, and this refrigerator can stay cold. A lot of people complain it's a 110 refrigerator. They get there, the beverages aren't as cold as they'd like them to be. On the inside, if you have a regular gas electric refrigerator, you can actually be using the electricity side on it as you're driving down the road, which means it's safer and it's more convenient than running propane as you're moving down the road. One of the other things that we have new this year is we have the Extend Solar 1 and the Extend Solar 2 packages. The Extend Solar 1 is a 200 watt solar panel with a 30 amp solar controller. The Extend Solar 2 is just like what you think about it. It's two 200 watt solar panels, a 30 amp solar controller, but then we also give you that 1800 watt inverter that we just talked about on the inverter pre-wire. So those are some of the things that we have going on new on this Mesa Ridge S-Lite for 2023. Let's go ahead and take a look at about what's new on the inside. Well, here we are inside the Mesa Ridge S-Lite for model year 2023. And some of the things that you're going to notice is, let's start here in the kitchen. As you can see, it's kind of been staged for photos, kind of show you how the livability is. But two new things. You've got your bamboo cutting board here that helps cover the sink, and you also have the roll-up strainer. These are a very popular item. Allows you to be able to dry your dishes while you're watching inside this big sink. New also, you'll see, is the black fixtures throughout the unit. And then we have the wallboard backsplash. Just kind of gives it a little bit more homier feel. As we're kind of flowing around, you're going to notice that our TVs this year are all smart in the Mesa Ridge S-Lite series. And then we also have the new JBL stereo system. This is the JBL Cube. It's a dual mode, dual zone system. So you have zone 1 with JBL speakers on the inside that you can watch through the TV, or you can be playing music. Zone 2, you have JBL speakers on the outside, and then you can also be Bluetooth and music on the outside while someone else is doing something on the inside. So new there, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what's new inside the bedroom. As you come around the corner, you're gonna notice there's mirrors inside on all of our wardrobe doors here. So just makes it a little bit brighter. It actually gives you a place to have a mirror inside the bedroom. And then also we have these new pop-up chargers, USB chargers. So you can pop them up, you can charge. If not, you can just go ahead and lay your phone on top of it and it'll charge it that way if you have that system. As you can see, we've got the new accent wall board going on inside here. It's a little bit lighter, but it gives it that nice contrast coming through. And as we're walking out here, the couch seems brighter than it did. Well, one of the reasons why is we went with this new main wall board here that we lightened it up some. We made the windows as big as we could. We went streamline on our valances to give that, so it doesn't get that big boxy feeling, gives that a little bit more homey. When we're talking new stuff also, all of our U-dinettes, our booth dinettes, we put doors. No longer do you have to lift the cushion to get up a piece of board to get inside of it. Now you can access it from down below. Accessibility, usability is one of the best things that we can do to make things better for 2023. One of the things you're also going to see is we have closable and repositional vents throughout the whole system. This just allows you to be able to tailor that AC to any which way you want. As we step into the bathroom, you're going to notice black fixtures on your shower surround. You're also going to have a new high-rise faucet with black on your kitchen or your lavatory sink. In this particular model, you have this nice big area. Just a lot of things going on the Mesa Ridge side this year. We're really excited about the different things that we have going on for the model year 2023. My name's Jason Martin for Mesa Ridge, Highland Ridge RV. Thank you for watching.